2, 3. Morning came a little cool, school bags waiting by the door. August used to fill the room, now the curtains breathe once more. The sky has climbed a little higher, the sea has softened into gray. I can feel the season turning, though I wish it wouldn't change. The air was sweet and heavy, now it slips right through my hands. I'm not ready to release it, but I think I understand. In the room, summer left, there's still warmth along the floor. A little salt upon the window, a little sunlight by the door. Oh, I miss the weight of August, I would keep it if I could. But the leaves are slowly ripening and the coming fall looks good. Fresh pages on the table, early shadows down the hall. Evenings pull their sweaters closer, daylight leaves a little soon. Tea tastes warmer by the window, small lamps soften every wall. There's a deep and earthy sweetness in the first leaves as they fall. I can love the fading season, I can love what follows too. One can leave me full of longing, one can bring me something new. In the room, summer left, there's still warmth along the floor. A little salt upon the window, a little sunlight by the door. Oh, I miss the weight of August, I would keep it if I could. But the leaves are slowly ripening and the coming fall looks good. I don't love the summer less, just because I let it end. I'll keep every blue and golden hour till they come around again. In the room, summer left, the air is lighter than before. The sky is high, the sea is quiet, autumn's waiting by the door. Oh, I'll miss the way